Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the AT&T Motivate Max for AT&T Prepaid. So this is a new budget smartphone for AT&T Prepaid. It is now available for $119.99 in a celestial blue color. So yeah, so if you guys are looking to get like a backup phone or whatever, or if you guys want to check this phone out, y'all guys can check this phone out. I don't know who makes this phone, so yeah, pretty interesting there. So there is the phone right there. You do have a teardrop notch for your front facing camera, there earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Let's see if I can show you guys some images here of the phone. So there's the front of the phone there, of course. There's the left side. And I cannot tell if there's anything on the left side or not. It's kind of hard to, you know what, I'll take that back. Your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone right here where my mouse is. So that's very nice. Left side micro SD and SIM card slot right here, and you have a slight camera bump down the back, so be mindful of that. There's the back of the phone, triple camera system, fingerprint sensor, camera flash, AT&T logo and whatnot. Very interesting back too. It looks very interesting. So yeah, there's the back of the Motivate Max. Like I just said, triple camera system. Looks like dual LED flash here. Probably is, I'm not sure. Fingerprint sensor, AT&T logo. The back looks interesting because it has like no blue on top and bottom here, but has like a dark color in the middle of it, so that's very interesting. I don't know if it looks like that in person, but it looks like that in pictures. So so if you guys get this phone in person, it may look like blue all the way on the back. I'm not really sure, but in photos it looks like this in photos. So if you guys get the phone in person, it may look different than this. Okay. There's the right side power button, volume keys. Power button, volume keys right here. There's the front of it again. Left side, right side power button, volume keys again. On the bottom of the Motivate Max is your speaker, Type-C charging port, and your microphone, which is very nice to see. And then on the top of the phone is your noise cancellation microphone, a headphone jack, which is very nice to see, and that is it. Says here, elevate your viewing experience on the 6.82-inch HD Plus display, engineered with protective glass for added scratch resistance. Capture all of life's big moments with the impressible triple rear 13, 5 and 2 megapixel camera, respectively, in that order, with LED flash and 8 megapixel selfie camera. Enjoy ample storage and keep your memories close with 32 GB of internal storage, expandable with the micro SD card, which you will need that. Long lasting 4,000 mAh battery, which is decent. Built-in fingerprint sensor, and latest Android 12 OS, protected by a 2-year warranty, which is a very nice feature to have. So Android 12 is still decent in 2023. It's still a good OS, not bad at all. I doubt it gets Android 13. I doubt it might be on Android 12 for its life cycle. So keep that in mind. I do like the fact that it comes with the 2-year warranty, which is very nice. So a great feature there, peace of mind there. So that's very nice. So here are some images of the phone. I just showed you guys the images of the phone here. So there's the left side, left side, back. You know, there's the back of the phone there. Right side, bottom, top. So basically what I just showed you guys at the beginning of the video here. specs. The Motivate Max has a 6.82-inch HD Plus display with scratch-resistant Dragon Tail Pro Glass, and I haven't heard of that in a long time. It has impressible triple rear 13, 5, and 2 megapixel camera with 8 megapixel selfie camera, 32 GB of internal storage, expandable with micro SD card, which you will need that. It has Android 12, all the latest in features and security from Google. So yeah, it has Android 12, which isn't bad. Like it's still good OS in 2023, but it won't get no more. But it's not gonna get any updates and nothing like that. So don't expect Android 13 on there. Just don't expect it. Dimensions: the Motivate Max is 6.85 inches height, 3.9 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. The Motivate Max weighs 6.98 ounces. Display 6.82 inches 6.82 inches HD plus. Display 720 by 1640 pixel resolution. Doesn't say what refresh rate it is. It could be 90 hertz. Don't be surprised if it is 60 hertz. Don't be surprised if it is. Don't be surprised. Who knows? If it's not listed on here, assume that it's 60 hertz display, guys. Alright. Cameras, y'all guys get 3 of them in the back. Y'all guys get a 13 megapixel standard angle lens with f2.2 aperture, 5 megapixel wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture, 2 megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture, in that order from top to bottom on the rear camera setup. So that's very cool. 1080p video capture at 30 frames per second, video playback 1080p at 30 frames per second. 8 megapixel front facing camera with standard angle lens, f2.0 aperture. Y'all guys also get portrait, face beauty, HDR, night mode, face unlock, time lapse, slow motion, super macro. So that's pretty cool. Battery, 4,000 mAh battery, which is pretty decent. It is non-removable, 18.1 hours of talk time, 42.8 days of standby time, which is interesting. Audio playback via speaker, 65.4 hours, via headset, 90.8 hours. Time to charge to 50% is 60 minutes. Time to charge to 100% is 180 minutes. That's about 3 hours of full charge. So keep that in mind. It has a MediaTek MT6762 processor, octa-core chipset. Memory, 32 GB of internal storage. You will need to use that micro SD card, which you can expand it up to 512 gigs. Has 3 GB of RAM. Android 12. It has 4G LTE. There is no 5G on this phone here. You do get HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call. Wi-Fi connectivity is 802.11 ABGN and AC. Dual-band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0. Mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. Wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card, which is pretty much standard for like the last several years now. So that's pretty much standard there. Nano SIM card. Sensors has accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint, and proximity sensors there. Messaging and email there. Of course, that's Gmail. Of course, it has rich. It does have RCS because it has Google Messages pre-installed, which is very nice. It has YouTube Music as a music player, so that's pretty much standard now on stock Android phones. Sustainability, accessibility, and whatnot, which is good. Product codes and whatnot. What comes with the device is your quick start guide, charging brick, Type-C cable, SIM ejection tool, and your safety information guide, which is pretty cool there. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The AT&T Motivate Max is now here at AT&T Prepaid for $119.99 in a celestial blue color. So if you guys are looking to get like a backup phone or whatever, y'all guys check this phone out. It comes with a 2-year warranty, which I do like that about this one. That's like my favorite thing about the phone, that it comes with a 2-year warranty. So you'll get peace of mind with that. It has Android 12, which is kind of outdated now, but it's still good. So it won't get Android 13, so don't expect no software updates on this phone at all. So if you guys are looking to get like a backup phone or whatever, the Motivate Max is worth checking out. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check it out. I mean, why not? I guess if you guys want to check it out, you know. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.